TP-Link Omada is a smarter end-to-end cloud solution dedicated to business networking, integrating gateways, switches, access points, and more into a full software-defined networking solution. Omada provides 100% centralized cloud management to create a highly scalable network, all controlled from a single interface, anywhere, anytime. TP-Link Omada is specially designed for use in hospitality, education, retail, offices, and more, providing scenario-based products with diverse benefits. TP-Link gateways ensure high performance and security with one-click VPN, powerful firewalls. TP-Link Jetstream switches provide reliable 10GE, 2.5GE, and 1GE wired connections. With PoE supported, installing APs, IP cameras, and IP phones is remarkably simple. Ceiling mount, wall plate, and outdoor access points are provided to give seamless Wi-Fi coverage, indoors and out, even for surveillance systems and elevators. Omada develops the latest Wi-Fi 6 access points to provide an unprecedented user experience in high-density scenarios, capable of connecting up to 1,000 clients. Equipped with advanced technology, Wi-Fi 6 APs have high concurrency capacity. Auto-channel selection and power adjustment provide powerful wireless performance while greatly reducing Wi-Fi interference. Seamless roaming ensures uninterrupted streaming and services even when moving around. Abundant security features are integrated into the APs to enhance network security. Boost your online business through guest Wi-Fi with Facebook login, voucher, and other flexible authentication options. Omada Mesh technology delivers flexible and convenient wireless deployment. A centralized cloud management platform delivers higher efficiency, reliability, and security. Omada zero-touch deployment with cloud access allows you to remotely deploy and configure multi-site networks, so there's no need to send out an engineer for on-site configuration. With its easy-to-use dashboard, easily monitor real-time network status, check network usage and traffic distribution, or even track the key data of customers for better business results. The easy-to-use dashboard and AI-driven technology provide whole network monitoring, intelligent network analysis, and quick network troubleshooting. Multi-tenant privilege assignment is also available to increase management efficiency and security. Higher reliability is guaranteed with 99.99% SLA availability, 24/7 automated fault detection, geographically isolated backup servers, and reliable product quality. Omada separates network management data from user data to better protect user privacy. TP-Link Omada, the smarter cloud solution for business networking.